Hello, I just want to show you very quickly a few things that might be of interest for you today, a few how-to items that might have occurred to you. The first is relating to the exercise for today, which is a wiki. We're only doing 2 wikis on in this course, and a wiki is a collaboratively written online document. So everyone writes on the one document. Everyone contributes to the one document. There's several reasons for doing this rather than people having separate posts. And one is if you're trying to pull together a lot of information from diverse places, or you have a set of information you want lots of different people to research on, it makes sense to do a wiki rather than having different separate contributions. So our wiki today is asking you to look at some of the historians that are mentioned in the Manning reading you did today, or a few others I think I might have added as well. So let's go ahead and look at the wiki. You click on the blue title. Okay, so the important thing to note is that we're all contributing to the one wiki which has already been created, okay? So whatever you do, don't press the create wiki page. The wiki page has already been created, here it is, and what you're going to do is edit the wiki content, okay? So you are going to choose your 5 historians. I think there's enough for 5 each from this list, and you can see here that Matt has already been online and claimed Ibn Khaldun, Ranke and Paul Kennedy, and so that's what I want you to do first, is just let us know which ones you're going to research and look at. Now obviously you only have today, so you don't have very long, so about 3 or 4 lines on each will be a sufficient length. If you can find a quote online, that would be great too, just to give us a flavour of the historian's own words. And when you're ready to contribute, come up here, click on Edit Wiki Content. And the interface for the wiki is very, very similar to other things you'll find on the Blackboard, such as discussion you've already used, and the blogs we'll be using in the future. So you can see this is very like a Word document, and you will come up here. So you're going to claim Herodotus, you will just put your name next to it so people know that you were going to do this one, and click save, which is at the bottom, submit at the bottom, okay, or submit at the top. And then when you're ready to do your little part, you can go an ancient Greek philosopher and historian, Herodotus, and then whatever you want to write about him. I'm going to leave you to do the rest. So that's it, and basically then you would click submit, and everybody will be doing their individual little parts. If you're the last person in, or towards the last person in, I'm just going to underline this, and it looks neat, and it will show you what I'm talking about. Make sure that the wiki looks neat. It's one of the jobs in a wiki to make sure it looks like one document at the end, and not like something that 5 people have contributed on in different fonts and different sizes and different styles, etc. So it's perfectly okay to go in and tweak the style of somebody else, or if you see a spelling mistake or something, go in and tweak it, because that's exactly what you're supposed to do on a wiki. Okay, so I'm going to come out of this now and show you, I'm going to stay in here to demonstrate this. I'm going to demonstrate for you how to add a picture to anything, a wiki or a blog or a discussion post, and it's all the same process. You need to have the picture saved onto your computer already in the right size that you want to use it. So you can't sort of cut and paste directly from the internet. You'd have to save from the internet onto your computer and then upload from your computer onto Blackboard. So let's just stick a quick picture in here, and it's this 3rd icon on the bottom row, the one that looks like a little mountain on the sun on a photograph. And then you just browse your computer, find the image you're looking for. I'm going to use some, just for purposes of demonstration, I'll pop in the same one I just used on my time machine exercise. There we go. Okay, so there it is. And if you click on appearance, this will just tidy things up a little bit. And alignment. Okay, if you put not set, it will sort of set the picture off on its own, so it'll be right above it and below it, but it won't be up close to it. So I usually just click on left, so it sticks it to the left and the words will carry on. And then in these three boxes here, vertical space and horizontal space, if you just put a small number in, like 3, it'll just put enough spacing between the picture and the text to make it readable, so the text doesn't bump right up into the picture. And you can put a border on if you like as well. You'll put a little black round line around it, and then click insert. Okay, there you go. It puts a nice little picture in. It's a nice element, especially in an online class. Not necessary for this exercise, though. If you find a nice picture of any of these guys, you're certainly welcome to put them in if you want to have a little experiment with this. I'm going to take that back out now so I don't mess up your the work that you guys are doing. There you go, taking it out again. And that's how you put a picture in. Okay, so that's all I wanted to tell you about for today, and hopefully some of you will have a go at that. Bye.